Hello students, so today we're going to deal with conservation of plants and animals. So this is our new chapter. Introduction. The varieties of plants and animals that exist on earth are essential for the well-being and survival of mankind. Clearing of forest and using the land for other purpose is known as deforestation. Some major consequences of deforestation are forest fires and frequent drought. So these we're going to discuss. Conservation. What is conservation? It is the care and protection of these resources so that they can persist for future generation. Conservation seeks the sustainable use of nature by human for activities such as hunting, logging or mining, while preservation means protecting nature from human use for the next generation use. Importance. Conservation is a scientific study of nature with the aim of protecting species, their habitat and ecosystem from extinction. Conservation includes the protection of species from extinction, maintaining and restoring habitat, preventing deforestation and enhancing ecosystem and protecting biological diversity. So in this way, the conservation is very useful for the humankind. Why conservation of plants and animals is important? By conserving the wildlife, we were ensuring that future generation can enjoy our natural world and the incredible species that live within it. To help protect wildlife, it's important to understand how species interact within their ecosystem and how they are affected by environmental and human influences. Flora and fauna. So that is the conservation of plants and so next we discuss about flora and fauna. How do we conserve this flora and fauna we're going to study. Flora is nothing but the plant, fauna is nothing but animal. Flora, the plant of a particular region or area are termed as flora. Example of flora include sun, coral, teak, mango, jamun, sunflower, etc. So this snap you can see this will be the best example for the flora. Fauna. The animals of a particular region or area are termed as fauna. Example of fauna include deer, lion, parrot, eagle, ant, goldfish, etc. So in this picture you can see the fauna. So we were going to conserve it. So what in all the procedure and what in all the thing which we want to follow to conserve the fauna and flora. Species. It is a group of organisms which are capable of interbreeding. They can reproduce and give birth to infants of the same kind and not of other kinds. These organisms will possess the same characteristic. So the species will result in the variation. In this snap you can see the greens as well as the dry part. So half of the part you can see there is a clearing of forest. So the clearing of forest which relates to cutting or removing the trees, known as deforestation. The clearing of forest and using the land for various purposes is termed as deforestation. It is responsible for survival threat to many living organisms. What will be the causes for the deforestation? Increase in pollution level of the earth, increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, increase in temperature or global warming, lowering of the level of groundwater, disturbance in the balance of nature, decrease in the rainfall, decrease in the fertility of soil, increasing in the change of natural calamities such as drought and flood. So these are the causes for deforestation. Causes of deforestation, here I just given you some snap. Rapid urban development. So we were cutting down all the trees and we were using the land for development. Agriculture related purpose. fuel requirements, setting up the industries. Moreover, the natural causes like forest fire, drought, etc. are also responsible for deforestation. Consequence of deforestation: increase in the temperature and pollution level, decrease in the groundwater level, decrease in rainfall and fertility of soil, increase in natural calamities like flood, drought, etc. Decrease in the water holding capacity and water infiltration rate of soil. The other properties of the soil like nutrient content, texture, etc. also change because of deforestation. Global warming is another consequence. Deforestation will decrease number of trees that will lead to increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. The carbon dioxide gas traps the heat rays reflected from Earth's surface, and this will result in increase in temperature on Earth, and it will disturb the water cycle too and may reduce the rainfall. This could cause drought. So here you can see the global warming picture. Desertification. Deforestation is also responsible for the change in the soil property. Lesser number of trees will result into more soil erosion. The removal of top layer of soil will result into the odd rocky layer which is less fertile and humus. Eventually, the fertile land will be converted into desert because of the dryness. Such a process is known as desertification. So this will be the perfect snap example for desertification. Thank you.